How to use the Plenty of Fish app. Basically a demo and review. So if you haven't already, it should be available in your Play Store or App Store. Search for Plenty of Fish dating app and pretty much just install it. The reviews are a little odd, but you can always go ahead and check out the app if you want to. But once you open up the app, you will have a few options. But the main thing you're going to have to do is to create your profile. So that's going to be the option over here. So if you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and create an account. But if you do, of course, you're just going to go ahead and log in. So the account creation process should be pretty simple. You're just going to put in a few details about yourself, like your first name, and basically the simple things like who you are, what you like. And once you finish the account creation section, you should be able to enter your dashboard. From there, you can basically browse suggested profiles. You can use the Meet Me section. You can swipe right to like someone or swipe left to pass. When both users like each other, they become a mutual match and, of course, can exchange unlimited messages before. But apparently, from some reviews, it has changed for a bit. That's why the ratings have gone a little lower. But you are generally able to send and manage messages after a few fees. But you can review the likes and account options in your profile as well. You have a few options. You have discover, search, likes, messages, and profile. The dashboard and the set over here may look a little different depending on your version, but it is pretty much generally the same. But Plenty of Fish is fairly easy to understand with familiar profile browsing, likes, matching, and messaging tools. Its detailed profiles can be helpful for users who want more information before starting a conversation, while the Meet Me section, which looks something like this, offers a faster swipe-based experience. There are a few drawbacks like the fees and some visibility interaction features, definitely limited through promoted paid upgrades and one-time purchases. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you can use Plenty of Fish. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.